knowing that I don't have to worry about my finances and I just have to get myself here, it's a game changer.
We are one of the 3 education partners in Mississippi-Alabama Sea Grant Consortium. What this funding allows us to do is offer that workshop at no cost to the teachers.
We're learning how to make ROVs, remote operating vehicles, so that we can incorporate some engineering practices, but we're actually doing things that you can do in any classroom.
The educators here are very knowledgeable. They give us a lot of teaching tools that we can actually use. It's really that hands-on experience. I think the term that we use in education is experiential education, learning by doing. That Sea Grant funding really allows us to do that here at the Dauphin Island Sea Lab.